The typical logo design process can be pretty elaborate. Here's what a typical logo design process looks like. First, we have the logo brief. This is where we question the client about anything related to their product, service, or whatever the logo might be for. This is where we can lay out all the expectations the client may perceive their identity to accomplish. This is also the step where we want to understand the medium or mediums we will be designing for, as they are restrictions to our design process. These restrictions may include elements such as size, shape, and color. Next, we have the exploration step. This is where we conduct research and really dig deep into the logo brief, defining all unknown facts. This might be things like looking at their competition or digging into color theory. After you feel comfortable with your research, it's now time to gather all those things you feel will inspire you to construct a successful design for your client. I like to create mood boards, gather all my images and references, and apply them to a wall or board to use in our next step, sketching. The sketching process is probably the longest process of them all. This is where we use our brief, research, and inspiration items as references to create thumbnail sketches. There is no right and wrong in this process. Simply put together quick thumbnail sketches and narrow down their directions. Once you feel you have a good direction, it's now time to sit back and reflect on what you've just created. Question each step you've done up to this point. Make sure the direction you're proceeding in is a great representation of the brief. The perfect process is when we bring our design or designs into an application and perfect them. Usually it's a vector-based application, like Adobe Illustrator. Now, once you feel you have a solid, finalized product and it's documented well in a style guide, we are now ready to deliver. Finally, we must support the identity. This might be revamping some designs in the near future for the client, or simply giving guidance.